guys, welcome to another video. This is DW. This is daily Bitcoin review. Today I want to talk about why you shouldn't buy the Bitcoin, and there's going to be some conditions why you shouldn't buy the Bitcoin and shouldn't enter the cryptocurrency right now. I'm going to use my technical analysis and show you guys the conditions which shows us clear that you shouldn't buy the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as well. So let's go to the charts and before beginning I want to say that in trading I'm using complex approach and minimum 4 or 5 conditions should to match before I enter in trade. And as well I want to guys invite you guys to enter my Telegram club. It's all for free right now. In the link in the description below, you can enter there or find it in my Twitter account. I pinned it that tweet. So you are welcome, guys, for free right now. So I'm sorry, I got a little bit sick today. I'm gonna talk a little bit slowly, but I'll show you all the conditions why I think the Bitcoin and it's bad time to buy Bitcoin. First of all, the main reason why you shouldn't buy Bitcoin is that we hit the main support or main resistance area. So basically, if your decision was to buying the Bitcoin, was better doing before, because before we use some support, right? If we use some previous kind of price actions, there was some supports, and better buy from support than from resistance, right? So no matter what's going on in the market right now, we hit that resistance, and this is a real clear resistance. You don't have to have any kind of indicator. You can see it clearly over here. This is resistance, and we hit that level. And especially we saw some reaction from that level over here, right, as a fourth wave. And right now we see some kind of last impulse over there with lowering volumes, right? That's also one of the confirmation. Second confirmation about that second condition, what you shouldn't why you shouldn't buy the Bitcoin. This is a real clear divergency, right? The price is rising and the volumes are decreasing, right? That's meaning that we are in this is unharmonious market moves, and this is like kind of tells us that the market moves are harmonious, and that's where you should to be avoid of the buying cryptocurrency or any kind of active. Doesn't matter what you are trading or what you are trying to invest. You seeing that the volumes are decreasing, it means the interest of the Bitcoin is decreasing. So basically no one needs the Bitcoin for that price, and sooner or later there will happen some kind of reversal in the price, and we will hit that price where the when the volumes are gonna make the harmonious rising or harmonious downtrend. So yeah, that's a really strong condition. One more thing, what I want to say that in waves, if you're using the Elliot's waves and you use my Elliot's wave, all the kind of ABC, I mean all the bear market is ABC correction. This is ABC or ABCDE correction. So basically you can see this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? So if we check the wave B, it hit all 8 levels, right? It all levels. It's like 0.3 by Fibonacci, right? We see the clear that the price is rising, and there is some divergency on the volumes as well inside, and that's the confirmation that there was like a B, and we are in a C. One more thing about the C. The C is impulsive wave. It means inside must have the 5 impulsive waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Everything inside this kind of scenario, which I'm showing you, it moves really harmonious by volumes, by the levels, and everything. This fourth wave over here, as I said, that this is correction, this is not impulse, because we see the divergence. The price is rising and volumes are decreasing, right? This is one of the conditions that this is fourth wave, right? And yeah, this is why you should to expect the level, the beginning of the fifth wave. And basically, if we take the Fibonacci right now and put on the beginning of the third wave and end of the third wave, right, the levels for wave 4 is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. So we hit that 0.3, 0.5, and right now we can hit that 0.6, right? In very seldom it's happening that we hitting the 0.7 levels, but of course you should to be prepared for that as well, right? And actually, when it's hitting, I want to mention one more thing, that if there's like some movement which which confirming that we're gonna hit that point 0.7 level, yeah, point 0.7 levels. It's when you can see it on the volumes, right, and the more deeper waves inside. But here we can see clear. If we're gonna zoom in inside, there is like a B, and C, right? And C has, I mean, A have its own harmonious A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and inside B have A, B, C clear harmonious move, and inside the C we can see as well 5 impulsive waves. So basically, I think that this small impulse kind of with the lowering volumes than in the third wave, right? It's kind of confirmation that I mean, this is like as a fifth wave, the last fifth wave. So basically, I'm expecting the Bitcoin around 32,000, and from the 32,000, this is like a levels where can happen the reversal. So basically, that's why I think that this is one more condition, and this is third condition by Fibonacci, that you shouldn't buy Bitcoin right now. And basically, if I would be you, I would like listen only one thing, that the price is rising, the volumes are decreasing. This is enough confirmation. If you are investor, you should to wait. You should to wait for the harmonious markets move, right? And as you will see some kind of harmonious move, that time you can enter or buy spot or enter some tradings or something like that, right? One more thing, what I want to mention is, if we take the Fibonacci and we try to check this wave C, right? Wave C has its own levels, and if we take the Fibonacci and put a beginning of the wave A, end of the wave A over here, and end of the wave B, right? The minimum for the wave C is 1.2 levels. This is the levels where the most likely the wave C comes, and it's minimum. Minimum is 1. That it's sure to hit level. I mean, it's sure to hit the 11, 12,000, right? That's where I'm expecting the Bitcoin minimum. So basically, we saw that we didn't hit, so we cannot just put that wave C over here, right? I mean, yeah, you can, because it's like, it looks beautiful, right? As you can say, like, oh yeah, this is really looks beautiful, and I'm gonna put the wave C here. But that's why the waves is not works in the solo. You should to use the complex approach, and you should to combine something to those waves to have like some logical view of the market, right? And it's not like oh, I'm gonna put the wave A here, B wave here, and C wave over here, right? You cannot do such kind of thing. So that's why my trading system, if when I'm using the waves, I'm combined with the Fibonacci and plus the volumes and plus the fractals, but I'm not gonna talk about these fractals in this video. So basically, yeah, that's why I think the wave C didn't finish, and I see that this is clear correction of the all hold this impulse, right? Or this impulse, doesn't matter. So basically, we hit that first resistance, and from this first resistance, I'm expecting some kind of reversal. And my levels, I mean, if we check the fifth wave, if we say like this, right, it's beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So basically, if we take the Fibonacci and put the beginning of the wave 1, wave 3, and wave 4, right? End of the wave 4, if it's gonna be over here, right? We can clearly say that. Let me clean up that one. Yeah. Oh no. No. Wait. Let's clean up this one. So let's do it one more time. Beginning of the first wave, end of the third wave, and end of the fourth wave, right? If it's happened over there, right? Over here. So levels for wave 5 is 0.6. This is the level, so 12,000. So actually, as we can say, as we can see that fifth wave inside of the C wave is matched with the levels of the global picture. So that's really good. It cannot make you happy, cannot not not make you happy, because this is really good that the markets moves really harmonious, and we can clearly trade without kind of the without kind of crazy movements and uncertain and something like that. For me, right now happens really something super certain situation. So basically, that's why I'm opening short position over there, and I'm not buying the spot. Of course, I bought spot over here, and over here. So, and one more, I'm gonna buy only if we're gonna go lower than this one. If we go over here, I already bought enough spot. So if we're gonna go lower, I'm gonna buy more, and buy more, and this is gonna be spot buys already. So for the long-term investing, right? But by trading, I said can clearly say this is correction, and that's why from the first resistance I'm gonna short the market, and I'm doing that one. So this is one more condition. If we're gonna deep dive inside the waves, let's do it. Why not, right? I'm gonna show you whole market what's going on and what I think right now in the scalping trade. So basically, this is as a let's clean up that. Oh, we don't need this anymore, right? So let's take the waves. So this is 1, 2, this is 3 for me, this is 4, and this is 5, right? This is how I see the market right now. So basically, wave 5, and if we're gonna deep dive inside of this fifth wave, last fifth wave, where we are, right, we can see clearly. Let me do it more like this, yeah. So we take a waves. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. If we finish this 3 can happen also here. We just need to wait. But basically right now, as I can see, that this is third wave, and we are in the fourth wave right now. So we can see the fourth wave is over there, and this is fifth wave. So basically, if this is what the third wave, and this is kind of end of the third wave over here, right? We can take a Fibonacci, right? Put on the beginning of the third wave, end of the third wave, and the levels for the wave 4 is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. So this is where I'm expecting the price as a wave 4, right? It's around 28,000 or 20 from 28,000 to 27,000. This is the levels where you can try to long, but by scalping. But I'm not gonna do that stuff because I don't like to long, because it's the main resistance over there, right? Over here. So I mean, I'm kind of avoiding the longs right now. So basically, better I will wait this fourth wave after we hit the fifth wave, and I already opened the all positions only on 32,000. I have some last short swing trade, and that's all. So basically, what can we expect on scalping, right? Let me break down for you guys as well. Right now we can see clear that there's kind of triangle, right? Let's take this tool, right? We had some kind of impulse over there, and right now we can see some kind of triangle. The price is squeezing, and the most likely what is going on, I'm always repeating, this is gonna be triangle. We're gonna see some wedge over down, right? And after, the market will move some harmonious way. So this is kind of what I'm expecting. Let me do it one more time. Take this tool, right? So impulse happened from this way, so it's happening A, B, C, D, E. Price is squeezing up, it's making triangle, and because the triangle is very manipulative on the Bitcoin, we really often can see some wedge. What does it mean? A wedge is when you see this triangle, the price is like kind of doing some kind of move, unharmonious move, right? Hit some levels, take some stop losses over there, right? Which the people was opening from there, right? A lot of people is kind of logging this kind of level because they're expecting the price movement, right? So here a lot of people shorting, they put their stop losses end of the first support, right, over there. So prices take their stops and move up. This is what's going on most likely on the Bitcoin. So this is what I'm expecting right now. So that's all, guys. Thank you for the watching. Guys, I highly, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all those 46 people who supporting me and subscribe to the channel and put some comments below and talking about like some market we discussed together, and I like it very much. Thank you so much for you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you really want to learn some trading and not the gambler, because all the gamblers, they are not welcome to my channel. I have nothing to do with you guys. So basically, if you are interested about like some successful good trading, you are all welcome to my Telegram club, my YouTube, and and follow me on the Twitter as well. We keep in touch always, guys. So thank you so much. Press some like, put some comments, because your opinion for me is really important, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.